Hey, I'm Dr. Paul. We just finished our chiropractic personal injury educational workshop. It's actually the workshop that gets attorneys to refer their personal injury clients to your case. This was exactly one of the systems I used to open 77 offices in 20 states. We're here, Dr. Brad. Now, you've been doing personal injury for about 15 years prior to coming here.
Yes.
And so how was the workshop?
It was great.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you say?
No, it was 10.
Now, you were doing personal injury for 15 years.
Yes.
How is it that you can say this is 10 and it was great when you've been doing it for 15 years?
Well, because I thought I knew a lot, but actually I didn't know what I didn't know. I mean,
What percentage, now prior to coming here, what percent did you thought you knew about processing personal injury?
I thought I knew probably at least 90%, 100%.
Right, probably knew it all.
Mm-hmm.
So now, after you learned what you didn't know, what percent would you say that you really knew prior to coming here?
About 25%.
Yeah, okay.
At best.
In other words, we covered quite a bit, didn't we?
A lot.
Yeah. Have you ever heard of this covered in any other chiropractic seminars?
No.
Okay. And you've probably been to a
I've
few,
been to
right?
a few.
Yeah, okay. What was the biggest takeaway? What did you like?
The biggest takeaway was actually learning how to actually document the case and really presenting a nice little package for the attorney, so you can actually they can go in and defend the case for their client, your patient.
Injury ward.
Injury ward.
Right, yeah. So we covered very specifically the documentation necessary,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And most importantly, you now learned the difference between publicity, advertising, and educational sales, didn't you?
Yes.
Do you now know why attorneys aren't and don't refer to chiropractors?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Can you see now why advertising and publicity does not work?
Yes.
And now, can you see why advertising not only works, but works really well?
Yes.
Okay. Because prior to this, were you ever doing any of the educational sales that you learned this weekend?
Oh no.
Right. So that's what we do, is we teach how, the target market of the attorney. We teach how to establish need. We teach how to eliminate the obstacles. We teach how to handle the service factors. And then as soon as that happens, we said, what's the very next thing they'll do? The very next thing they'll do is they'll go, where's your office?
Relocated.
And what can you
What
do
can you
for
this case?
this case? My case is right now because I'm in trouble. Because
Right.
now they see how bad the documentation is they had from their previous doctors. So any other big wow moments, or you go, wow, that was really interesting?
Well, the big wow moment is actually really putting it all together in a nice package for the attorney and for them, and not be so disorganized and trying to piece it
Now,
together.
I call my system paint by numbers, personal injury, marketing, and documentation. Is it not paint by numbers?
Yeah.
I mean, is it not a checklist for documentation and a checklist for marketing?
Yes.
Step by step. That's exactly what we do. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Doctor.
Yeah.